I'm David with the Barbecue Lab, and today I want to show you the recessed access panels and vents from Renaissance Cooking Systems that we installed in our outdoor kitchen. In any outdoor kitchen installation, it's vital to plan for access to power cables, outlets, dials, switches, and knobs. I have to admit, when we first laid out our outdoor space, I didn't think much about how I was going to get to all of the controls in the kitchen. I was mainly focused on what grills I was going to put in and how much food I could put on them when we were entertaining a crowd. Now that we're finished with the project, I truly understand how important it was to plan for access and ventilation. Let's talk about access panels first. RCS has two sizes of access panels that can be used in your outdoor kitchen plan. There's a 6-inch size and an 8-inch size, and here in our installation we went with the 8-inch size all around. The unit itself is 9 5/8 inches wide and 2 inches deep. They're made of 304 stainless steel, and they'll match any of the other RCS doors and drawers you may decide to install in your kitchen. The access panel opens with just a simple Phillips screwdriver. Just turn the screw to rotate the locking mechanism inside, and the door will pop open when you need to gain access. I like that it takes a screwdriver to open, as that keeps the kids out of places that I would really prefer them not getting into. We found that the kids aren't interested enough in what's behind the door to go inside and find a screwdriver to go exploring. Now, what would you use an access panel for in your outdoor kitchen? Well, here's what we use them for in ours. First, we have 3 gas appliances in our kitchen. There's a gas grill, a large burner, and a griddle. We buried gas lines to run into these appliances, and we wanted to be able to access the point where we put the gas manifold easily. 2 of these 3 cooking appliances also have electric LED lights, so we wanted to be able to easily get in and out to work with the electrical plugs. These doors make that super easy. On the other side of the kitchen, we've installed a pellet grill, and this grill has more cables to work with than the PC in my office. There's an Ethernet cable, a drive control cable, an electric cable, and more, and being able to get in and out to work with them when a problem arises is made so much easier with access doors. Sure, I could call 3 friends over and take the countertop off and take the grill out to work with a cable, but this little door gives me all the access I need to be able to manage things when others aren't around. All of our other controls and switches are behind the larger doors that we installed in the kitchen, and if you'd like to learn more about those, you can check out the additional videos on this channel where we go into more detail. I also want to make sure that we talk about the vents we put in as well. These vents are 12.5 inches wide and 3.5 inches high, and they're also made of 304 stainless steel. We put 6 vents into our outdoor kitchen, and they're there for 2 reasons. First, we wanted to make sure that we were venting out any of the gas that could become trapped inside the kitchen structure. That's a large void that can collect gas, and vents allow that to dissipate. We're using natural gas appliances, so that means that we needed to install our vents near the top of our structure. If we were using propane, we would have installed them towards the bottom, since propane gas sinks and natural gas rises. Now, the second reason that we installed vents in our kitchen was to allow any moisture to evaporate. I don't want any mold or mildew building up inside my kitchen structure, and these vents allow any moisture to evaporate quickly by allowing airflow in and around the unit. These vents also allow any refrigeration units you've installed, like an ice maker or outdoor refrigerator, to breathe so they don't have to work as hard to do their jobs. Now, one question we get asked is how often a vent should be installed in a structure like this. The answer is 1 vent for every 4 feet of kitchen space. Now, if you'd like to learn more about the outdoor kitchen build that you see here and the appliances and accessories that we've installed from Renaissance Cooking Systems, check out the other videos on this channel. We have a whole playlist that we've created to walk you through the products that we used to bring our ideas to life.